Hi, friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today, we are going to see the first four steps to talk in English. These four steps are very, very important and the basic steps, beginning steps to talk in English. Already, I have made four short videos about these four steps. I'll give the link in my description below. You can just follow and check it up. First time viewers, please subscribe and share my channel to your contacts. We're going to mix all those four first steps and make it a little bigger video. Hi friends, I have been explaining English through Tamil, but few of my followers who speak their mother tongue as Malayalam and Telugu, they asked me, they too want to learn from their own mother tongue. So this video I'm going to do a trial, just beginning first trial, that a trinity in unity. You know that the three languages, Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu, I'll explain in those three languages about the English. So let us see how this works out. Hope all these three language speaking my followers, Malayalis, Tamils, and Telugus, they will all like it because I'm going to mix all these three languages and explain these three languages to teach you English. Little tough, but I feel very nice to satisfy my followers because you are all important to me. Your development is my concern. So I'm trying to do this as a trial. Learn with me. The first step is in. അതായത് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇൽ, പള്ളിയിൽ, പള്ളിക്കൂടത്തിൽ, വീട്ടിൽ, കയ്യിൽ എന്ന് പറയില്ല, ആ ഇല്ലാണ്. മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇല്ല് പുറകെ കാണും, പക്ഷെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ആ ഇൻ എടുത്ത് മുമ്പോട്ട് ഇടണം. സോ ഇൻ ദി ചേർച്ച്, ഇൻ സ്കൂൾ, ഇൻ ഹാൻഡ്, ഇൻ ഷോപ്പ്, അങ്ങനെ പറയണം. தமிழில் இல், அதாவது கோவிலில், பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில், வீட்டில், கையில், அந்த இல்லு பின்னாடி இருக்கிறது இங்கிலீஷில் இன் முன்னாடி போட்டுடணும். இன் தி சர்ச், இன் హ్యాండ్, ఇన్ షాప్, ఇన్ హౌస్ அப்படி வரும். తెలుగులో చూస్తే మనం లో అని చెప్తాం కదా, అది ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఇన్ అంటారు. లో వెనకాల ఉంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఇన్ తీసి ముందర వేసేయాలి. ఇంటిలో, గుడిలో, బడిలో, చేతిలో అంటే ఇన్ ది చర్చ్, ఇన్ ది టెంపుల్, ఇన్ షాప్, ఇన్ స్కూల్, ఇన్ హ్యాండ్, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ది సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ టు. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇക്ക്, ലേക്ക്. പള്ളിയിലേക്ക്, പള്ളിക്കൂടത്തിലേക്ക്, എനിക്ക്, നിനക്ക്, അമ്മയ്ക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ടു ദി ചേർച്ച്, ടു സ്കൂൾ, ടു മീ, ടു യു, ടു മം, ടു അങ്കിൾ, അങ്ങനെ പറയണം. தமிழில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இக்கு, அதுதான் டு. கோவிலுக்கு, வேலைக்கு, எனக்கு, குடும்பத்துக்கு அப்படி வரும்போது டு தி டெம்பிள், டு மீ, டு ஒர்க், టు ది ఫ్యామిలీ அப்படி வரும். తెలుగులో చూస్తే ఇంటికు, నాకు, బడికు, వానికు అని చెప్తాం కదా, ఆ ఇక్కు అదే ఇంగ్లీష్లో టు అంటాము. అది ఎలా వస్తుందంటే టు ది టెంపుల్, టు స్కూల్, టు మీ, టు డాడ్, టు మమ్, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ది థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ ఫార్. അതായത് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുമ്പോൾ വേണ്ടി, ജോലിക്ക് വേണ്ടി, ശമ്പളത്തിന് വേണ്ടി, എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടി, കുടുംബത്തിന് വേണ്ടി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഫോർ ദി ഫാമിലി, ഫോർ ദി ജോബ്, ഫോർ ദി സാലറി, ഫോർ മീ, അങ്ങനെ പറയണം. തമിഴിൽ சொல்லுമ്പോൾ കാക, ഫോർ, குடும்பத்துக்காக, வேலைக்காக, எனக்காக, அப்படி வலிக்காக அப்படி சொல்லும்போது ஃபார் தி பெயின், ஃபார் தி ஃபேமிலி, ఫర్ ది టెంపుల్, ఫర్ మీ அப்படி வரும். తెలుగులో వస్తే ఫార్ అంటే కోసం, నా కోసం, గుడి కోసం, ఉద్యోగాని కోసం, నొప్పి కోసం అంటే ఫార్ పెయిన్, ఫార్ ది జాబ్, ఫార్ శాలరీ, Understand? ఇలా ఉంటుంది. The fourth step is with. അതായത് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുമ്പോൾ കൂടെ, ഓടെ എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ, പലിശയോടെ, അച്ഛൻ്റെ കൂടെ, എൻ്റെ കൂടെ, വേദനയോടെ അങ്ങനെ പറയുമ്പോൾ വിത്ത് പെയിൻ, വിത്ത് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്, വിത്ത് ഡാഡി, വിത്ത് ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ഇങ്ങനെ പറയണം. தமிழில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபார், தமிழில் உடன், குடும்பத்துடன், என்னுடன், வலியுடன் அப்படி சொல்லும்போது வித் ஃபேமிலி, வித் பெயின், విత్ మీ, విత్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ அப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியிருக்கும். తెలుగులో చూస్తే విత్ అంటే తో, అంటే నొప్పితో, కుటుంబంతో, నాతో, అందరితో అని అంటే విత్ ఎవ్రీ వన్, విత్ మీ, విత్ ఫ్యామిలీ, విత్ పెయిన్, విత్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇలాగుంటుంది. Hi friends, the only easiest way to develop your English communication is just practice. Keep on practicing small sentences, one word every day with people who you meet. You can see a lot of improvement. Don't worry about what others say. Just think of your future. Think about your own development. The ambition for you to succeed in speaking English. The easiest and the only basic way is to practice. So keep on practicing. You will find a drastic result. Very good development. Self-development is very important. That is in your hands. If you want to grow, you must eat. If you want to develop in communication, you must practice. So practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing. Now you can use each step or two or three or four combined together and you can make sentences on your own. Try to practice bit by bit. For example, come with me today. Go to school with your friends. Wait for me in bus stand. Eat rice with pickle. Like this. Keep trying and making small sentences using two or three or four of these steps and practice day by day. Practice and practice. Few days, one sentence. After few days, you will automatically talk in English. Till I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you from your James.